Okay, so I'm changing my rear lower torque mount for my '07 Honda Civic Si coupe. Yeah, so here it comes. Get a smaller ratchet. Well, that bolt's out. Alright, I'm gonna take the other bolt out right here. We'll take that one out and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so the new one's in there. The other pain in the ass, you just gotta pry the motor forward a little bit. Whack it with the hammer a couple times. Don't try to like beat it up, but tap on it a couple times with a hammer, it'll slide right up in there. I just did this by myself, not one single problem. Rear torque mount on a '07 Honda Civic Si coupe. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. It would be greatly appreciated. I'm trying to gain more subscribers. I'll make more content here coming soon. I'm trying to get better cameras and stuff. I'm recording this on my phone, so bear with me. But yeah, trying harder. I plan on doing a bunch of upgrades to this Civic, so stay tuned. Peace out. Have a good one. God bless you. See you later.